Denying Islam health care. What if there is a pandemic?
Something dramatic is unfolding on the streets of Durban. Locals are angry, foreign nationals are fighting back, and South Africa's public hospitals are at the center of the storm. In a bold and defiant move, a group of Somalian nationals living in Durban have reportedly teamed up to break through a community blockade that had been preventing foreign nationals from entering Addington Hospital. The beachfront hospital has become ground zero for a growing standoff between locals and foreign nationals as frustrations mount over what many see as an overwhelmed healthcare system and a government that is failing to take decisive action. According to reports circulating online, South African residents had gathered at the entrance of Addington Hospital determined to block access to undocumented immigrants. Their message: South Africans first. Our people are dying while illegal foreigners take up space in our hospitals and clinics. One local protester can be heard saying, "This hospital is for South Africans. Our grandmothers are sitting at home unable to get help, but foreigners come here and get treated for free." It's a sentiment that's growing louder by the day. Many locals feel neglected, forgotten, and pushed to the back of the line, especially when it comes to healthcare, housing, and education. But the Somalian community didn't sit back quietly. In what some are calling a show of unity and resistance, Somalian nationals reportedly organized among themselves, physically escorted their fellow countrymen past the crowd and into the hospital. This confrontation has ignited a firestorm online. Some South Africans are praising locals for taking a stand, while others fear this could escalate into more serious conflict. Locals are now claiming that all the best public schools in the area are also packed with children of illegal immigrants, making it harder for South African learners to gain access. The question that's burning now is, where is the government? Where are the immigration offices? Where are hospitals and schools turning into battleground? This isn't the first time South Africans have protested over public services being stretched to the limit, and it is definitely won't be the last time. Groups like Operation Dudula and March have been leading similar efforts around the country, calling on the state to prioritize South African citizens and to deal with undocumented migrants who are, in their view, exploiting the system. But critics argue that this protest can turn dangerous and risk sparking xenophobic violence. The line between patriotism and hatred is getting thinner by the day, so we ask you, the viewer, do you support what the locals did? Should undocumented foreigners be allowed to access public health care and schools in South Africa, or is it time the state stepped in to bring order and clarity before things spiral out of control? This is not just a Durban issue, it's a South African issue, and the more it's ignored, the more explosive it becomes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you on my next upload, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this one. I'll see you later.